How to make dumpling dough, dumpling wrappers. Also referred to as dumpling skins. Now, let's get started. Using a bowl to mix and knead by hand or a bread maker simplifies the process significantly. Start by adding 1 cup of cake flour, a half cup of very hot boiling water, and a teaspoon of olive oil, suitable for baking and frying, not the kind used for salads. Feel free to use the same recipe to double or triple the quantity. Creating your own dumpling wrappers is definitely the best option. This homemade dumpling recipe is simply outstanding. Additionally, it's a much healthier alternative when you make it yourself. You know exactly what ingredients are included, with no preservatives like those found in store-bought varieties. I've been using this dumpling wrapper dough for over 10 years, and I ensured it was 100% satisfying before I documented the complete recipe and shared the video. I didn't just test it once or twice, but multiple times to refine it. I also apply the same technique for making green onion pancakes, noodles, beef pies, and lasagna. Take a look at my recipe for homemade crispy potstickers and green onion pancakes, which I created 8 years ago. They are perfect for pan frying and capture the spirit of street food right in your kitchen. You can find the video instructions and the recipe link in the description box below. To begin, you will need cake flour. You can easily create your own cake flour at home by mixing plain flour with corn flour. Be sure to check the video description box for the link to the recipe on how to make cake flour. This recipe makes 50 medium-sized dumplings, so if you double it, you'll have 100. And if you triple it, you'll end up with 150 pieces. My husband enjoys making extras and storing them in the freezer for quick, ready-to-eat, pan-fried or boiled dumplings, which are perfect for brunch or late-night snacks. These are homemade dry dumpling noodles, which are also eggless wonton noodles. Chewy noodles tossed in a tasty sauce made from oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, and sweet soy sauce, topped off with spring onions, coriander, fried shallots, and a splash of chili oil. The taste is incredible, and the texture has the perfect chewiness. This video shows you how to create a dry boiled dumpling noodle dish that's similar to eggless wonton noodles. If you found this video useful, go ahead and hit that like button. I can't wait to create more tasty recipes for all of you. Enjoy cooking and eating. See you later, friends. Thanks for watching.
哇，啱啱喺花園摘咗好多水仙花，等玻璃屋充滿啲天然嘅香氣嘅。呢大扎嘅水仙花咧，就準備要插落玻璃屋噶啦。帶大家嚟睇下我哋苦瓜 BB。已經有幾多個星期咗？3個星期。